Welcome to the IPL team preview. The team that we're discussing today is one of the most unsuccessful side in the IPL. We're discussing about the Delhi Capitals, but they had pretty good season under their new captain Shreyas Iyer. Iyer and his boys will be back this season and they look really strong. They've made some really good trades and they got a really good depth in batting this season. They've also made a very smart change for Jason Roy by bringing in big bash bowler Daniel Sams. They really didn't need the service of Jason Roy at the top as they already had a lot of batting options at the top of the order. Let us look at their openers alone. Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Ajinkya Rahane, Shreyas Iyer, who also loves to open the batting for Maharashtra in state games, Marcus Stoinis, who has had a successful BBL season as an opener, and Rishabh Pant. But the most likely duo to open the innings will be Dhawan and Shaw. Rahane, if he gets chance, will have to bat at 3 and his role will be to stick the innings together by holding one end, but I doubt that he will be an option for the first game. Their captain Shreyas Iyer looked in great form for India lately and with a great performance this season, he would also like to seal that spot. They have got some firepower in the batting with Pant, Hetmyer and Stoinis who will be responsible to finish the innings for Delhi this season. They do not have Russell or Dhoni or Pandya who can come in start to smash sixes straight away and that seems the only point to worry for Delhi Capitals. This team probably has the best spin attack among all the teams in IPL. With Ravichandran Ashwin, Akshar Patel, Amit Mishra and Sandeep Lamichhane, they've got a really dangerous spin attack. Patel and even Ashwin to some extent will add a little batting in the side. Coming to their pacers, they've got Kagiso Rabada who's likely to play the very first game. Daniel Sams had a great BBL too. They've another option in Nokia. Talking about the Indian pacers, Ishant has been in a great form in the past year and Mohit Sharma will bring some good variation that may be useful in the later half of the tournament. They've got a backup keeper in Australia's Alex Carey and many cricket experts believe that he may get a chance in playing 11 but I doubt that. This team has a great depth in their Indian players and they can play the team they want. To predict the 4 overseas of this team is extremely difficult. Rabada is a sure pick while every other player have a chance of playing in the side. But I think they will go for Rabada, Hetmyer, Stoinis and Sams. If the pitch is really slow and you want to play for spinners, you can bring in Lamichhane for Sams who has been in great form in recently concluded CPL as well. So, will they win their first ever title this year? Well, they look very strong and I think they will definitely finish in the top 2 of the league stage and might even go on to win the trophy for the first time this year.